Welcome back to Mr. Mickleburgh's Maths World. This is The Way It Is. Now, this is Trigonometry Part 2, the old SOH CAH TOA, and I think we should be up to page 209 by now. So in these examples, what we're going to do is have a look at where we need to find the value of an angle using SOH CAH TOA. But there's a bit of a sting in the tail to these, so you better pay attention. Let's take one at random. I don't know, how about maybe the last one is perhaps trickier than the rest. So we'll focus on I here and see what that looks like. Okay, now we start off the same. We focus on the angle of interest, it is A, and we ask ourselves, what is that side in relation to angle A? Well, it's the opposite side, isn't it? And that side is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. Opposite hypotenuse. So I'm after the sine ratio. I need the sine ratio to solve this. So let's have a go at solving it using the sine ratio. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is we'll say sine, isn't that a nice colour? Sine A equals opposite, 1.6 over 2. Opposite over hypotenuse. That's the sine ratio, isn't it? Opposite over hypotenuse. Alright. So, now, the only thing we've got to do here is remember that we are finding an angle. So when we are finding an angle, it's important that this is what we do. We press shift on our calculator. So we press shift on our calculator, shift, sine, open up bracket, go one, actually a bracket, if you're using a Casio, will open up automatically, but if it doesn't, open up a bracket. 1.6 divided by 2, close your bracket, press equals. Okay, now in my case I get an answer 53.13 degrees. That's to 2 dp, 2 decimal places. If I wanted it in degrees, minutes and seconds, I could press the what's sometimes called the claw key, the degrees, minutes and seconds key, and to the nearest minute I've got 53 degrees. And now watch out rounding up here. We round up after 30 seconds, don't we? Because there's 60 seconds in a minute. So my calculators, I'll tell you what it's showing. It's showing this. So because that's more than 30, I've got to round this up to the nearest minute to 8 minutes. Okay, so it's approximately equal to 53 degrees, 8 minutes. Okay, now I think you can have a go at the rest of question 3 on page 209. Goodbye. And what you don't finish, do for homework, please. Bye-bye.